Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show the easiest and fastest ways on how you can make a lot of money on Temu. So to start with, you first want to have the app downloaded, and once you're logged in, you want to go to the bottom middle and just select You. Now this will bring you to this page here, and you just want to scroll down a little bit until you see Settings. Now this is a very important step, so make sure you don't skip this. You want to make sure your country and region is set to US, United States. And then you also want to make sure the currency is also set to USD. Now, if this is not set right, then it will not work, so make sure you do this first. So once you've done that, you can back out, and then if we go into our settings again, we want to look for this option that says earn credits and free gifts. Now these are basically all the ways you can earn free gifts and credits inside of Temu. I'm going to go through them now and show you what all of them do. So the first one, as you see at the top, it says invite friends and get 10 free gifts. So what you want to do is basically choose any of these stuff. At the end, you get an invite code which you can send out to your friends or other people, and if they sign up using your code, you then have a chance to get those free gifts. So the next thing is called Redeem Cash, where you can redeem up to $200 to PayPal. So the way this works is through referrals as well. So as you can see, you only need to refer one friend to spin it again, and you have a chance of making money through PayPal. And you can win these tokens which you can then spend on PayPal credits. So next up, you've got Fishland. So for this one, you just want to choose 2 gifts. So I'm just going to choose this. And then from here, you just want to put in your address, and then you have a chance to win those free gifts. And then last but not least, you got Lucky Flip. So you can win up to $70 credit with this one. So as you can see, this one you earn diamonds, and you want to get up to 70 diamonds. And you can basically earn $70. So it gives you 30 to start with, and the way to get more is basically invite people to the app. So if you invite your friends or people you know into the app and they join up using your referral code, then you can actually win some diamonds and then eventually get to withdraw $70. So I hope you found this video helpful and hope you successfully managed to make some money on Temu. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.